On this episode,
who you guys think will get the best deal? Comment down below. Who you think? Me, Mikey, or Sonny?
You caught him with the pants down. Hey, don't judge me, folks. That wasn't me.
Hey. What's the deal, Candy Crew? It's your girl, MsTaffy, just like the candy. And around here, we chase after new deals year round. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new and you're part of the Candy Crew, thank you. In today's video, I'm doing a road trip to go thrifting, and I'm headed to Las Vegas. Can y'all guess what resellers I'm going to link up with? Comment down below. Hurry up. Y'all gonna see in this video, but I want to see if y'all know. Comment down below. Let me know. Let me get some gas so we can make it to Vegas. All right. Save the receipts for tax purposes always.
I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. Live life like it's a piece and break the rules. I wanna wake up in the morning.
Welcome to Vegas, baby. Oh, hello there. Come on, let me give you a tour of the room.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh.
All right, Candy Crew. I told y'all I was coming to Vegas, and I want y'all to comment down below who you guys thought I was meeting up with. Did y'all comment? Hurry up now. All right, here they go. The superstars of Vegas.
Superstars.
Yes, Mike and Sonny of Las Vegas. Listen, we're about to go head into the Goodwills and tear it up. Who you guys think will get the best deal? Comment down below. Who you think? Me, Mikey, or Sonny?
Ready, set,
You see that? Yes. He knew I love shoes, y'all. He knew.
y'all, this shelf is
empty. Oh my god!
Look all this cat hair in the shoes. They want $17.99.
No, thank you.
ooh, some Uggs in a thrift store. Psych.
Y'all know I gotta go to VHS tapes. Let's see.
Since it was already shoppers right there, I decided to look elsewhere and come back. First thing I spot are these shoulder pads. Do you guys remember the ones from the last video? Look what I spot. These football shoulder pads.
I said hi. I'm tired already.
Whoa, I gotta lose my stomach too, girl.
Wait, what?
I had to lose my stomach too.
I said I'm tired. I got a stomach.
Those shoulder pads sold for $100. I believe I should be able to get around 40 to 50 bucks for these shoulder pads. I've never seen this cannonball before, but for the price, I couldn't pass it up. Comment down below, have you guys sold a cannonball before? Or even seen one in person? You guys know I love golf bags, and they normally do well for me. As soon as I spotted this bag, I knew I had to purchase it. So the golf bag already sold on Facebook Marketplace, and here I am at USPS packaging it up. I purchased a U-Haul box, but unfortunately it was too big, so I had to break it down. How much I think it sold for? Well, it sold for $90 on Facebook Marketplace, plus shipping. I was about to purchase this one, but I realized it was missing pieces and broken. Then I spotted another Wilson golf bag. Unfortunately, this one was missing pieces as well. You guys, remember this guy? Now watch later. I always like to search the remotes and computer mouse because they don't take up that much space and they go for huge money. Some of them do. I always pull out my phone to search sold comps because I don't need any more dead inventory. I know Halloween is coming up, but this desk sure did creep me out. I could just see it in a scary movie, can't y'all? He's back, and now he's staring at me. It's almost like he sensed I was new to the area. Lucky Sonny was right there.
I was looking at this brand right here. So here in Vegas, they have a barbell company, or barbell apparel. Really good sellers. But this is not them, I believe. I think somebody else just ended up picking up the name, changing it up. So I was looking it up. But barbell apparel is one: t-shirts, hoodies, pants, shorts. Really good sellers. It's just like Gymshark if you follow me.
Gotcha, yeah.
It's like them, but Vegas. So I end up coming across them often, and they donate. You're really good.
So you kill it with them. They have any jackets? Ooh, that like that green and
Hey,
yellow.
I haven't gone here.
Ooh,
Go ahead.
no. Let's. I just spotted its brand. Oh, world champions from when?
MsTaffy's over here.
Wait a minute.
Candy Crew, World Champ Candy Crew. That is a dope color too.
It is. How much you think it costs?
I'm gonna say $9.99.
No.
Less? Higher? $14.99.
Yeah. Is it worth it though? I don't think this is vintage at all.
That is cool though.
It is cool, but
This jacket was dope, but the price wasn't. And my budget and it couldn't align. They wanted $14.99. So I ended up leaving it behind. I'm assuming this is distressed jeans gone wrong. What do you guys think? comment down below. You can't go wrong with a vintage t-shirt, so I always check the shirts.
All right. Right here, you know what happens. This is Las Vegas. What happens to rats? They get caught in traps. So I had to get this for fun. I didn't see any comps, but I just love it. It's going in the bathroom. Either my wife's going to get jacked by this thing, my little nephews, nieces. I'm all about the fun, you know. So this is buy of the day for me so far. I'm so excited.
Now tell everybody about you, Mikey.
Oh, my name's Mikey Bags of Money. I have a channel. I'm a reseller, YouTuber. I go live every Friday night with my wife. The motto of my channel is buy, sell, and eat. Really, I just like to have fun. I bring you guys along, and hopefully we learn a thing or two. So thank you so much for come on by my channel and check it out.
Tell them Candy Crew is coming through.
Candy Crew.
Yes. Sonny, where are you? No, really, where is he?
You know you're not.
Yes, I did. Oh, look at this guy hiding from us. Look at this guy.
Sonny is so good at hiding, he threw a body double on us.
Right? Is that a Cabbage Patch?
These are probably worth like $10.
1996? Wow.
What, Sonny?
Oh, you caught him with the pants down. Hey, don't judge me, folks. That wasn't me.
Sonny bought some dolls.
So I was looking this up, and they just look good condition. I rarely come across them, but somebody sold 4 of them for $157.
What?
So for $2.99, this has to be worth getting.
Sonny.
For sure.
$100 banger again. Nice.
It's not so much of a match of a uniform, but they are both Cabbage Patch, so I'm just gonna lot them up. They should fit inside the caterpillar down below.
This right here, ladies and gentlemen, a smart man.
Not a creeper, a smart man.
Yes. You guys, it's safe to say the winner is Sonny Las Vegas
Oh,
himself.
are we done?
Yes.
We can't find anything. We gave up. We're like, this place sucks. And Sonny's finding $100 bills everywhere. Yes, the guy's good.
Yes.
Guys, look where they have me eating at.
Let's hope it's good. Now they're leaving me. I'm sorry. Excuse me, guys. Thank you. You guys, make sure you follow Sonny Las Vegas. He just paid for our lunch. Follow these two great fellas here.
I won't pay for your lunch, but make sure you follow my channel.
Yes. Follow them. Show them some love.
Candy Crew.
Yeah.
4 hours later.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And y'all, look, I appreciate y'all. We growing, and we growing. If you guys enjoying the content, feel free to share this video, smash that like button, and comment down below one of you guys' favorite scenes from the video. But until the next one, keep hustling, staying positive. TTYL.
Girl, shake that